Hello dear student, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, we have discussed sexual reproduction in human being. In that we see the internal genital organs in male reproductive system. Today, we are discuss the remaining part in male reproductive system, that's accessory gland, semen and external genitalia. So, let's begin. As in male reproductive system, there is the presence of three accessory glands. In that, first we see that's a seminal vesicle. This seminal vesicle, it's a paired membranous sac. You can see in this image, it's a paired membranous sac located behind the urinary bladder. ये ऊपर की जो इमेज है ये है यूरिनरी ब्लैडर की, और यूरिनरी ब्लैडर के नीचे के साइड में है सेमिनल वेसिकल. इट इज प्रेजेंट बिहाइंड, ये वर्ड बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिहाइंड द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. ईच वेसिकल शोज स्मॉल ब्लाइंड pouch called diverticula. This small blind pouch called diverticula. It secrete, ये सबसे ज़्यादा important है, it secrete viscous alkaline fluid forming much of semen. It contains three important nutrients like fructose, second fibrinogen, and third one is prostaglandins. It contributes about 60% of the total volume of semen. Semen जो है उसमें से 60% जो पार्ट होता है वो बनता है seminal vesicle के fluid से. As it contains a nutrient, first one is fructose. This fructose, it provides energy for sperm movement. Second one, it's a fibrinogen. It coagulates the semen into bolus for quick propulsion in the vagina. The third one, it's a prostaglandins. These prostaglandins stimulate reverse peristalsis in vagina and uterus, adding the faster movement of sperm. The second one, it's a prostate gland. इसका भी रेफरेंस हमने लास्ट वीडियो में देखा था. अगर आपने मेरा अभी तक लास्ट वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो ज़रूर देखिए, उसको लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. As this prostate gland, you can see this circle indicates this one is the largest gland, that is called as a prostate gland. This prostate gland, it's a single. You can see here, it's a single gland. It's a single gland located below to the urinary bladder. हमने लास्ट ग्लैंड में भी देखा था, ये है यूरिनरी ब्लैडर का पोर्शन और उसके बिल्कुल भी नीचे है ये प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड. और इट इज सिचुएटेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ रेक्टम. ये जो पीछे का जो पोर्शन है वो है रेक्टम का पोर्शन, और दैट्स वी सेज एज इट इज लोकेटेड बिलो यूरिनरी ब्लैडर और इन अ पेल्विक कैविटी in front of rectum. Means what? It's located below to the urinary bladder and in front of rectum. It's around the urethra. हमने लास्ट वीडियो में देखा था यूरेथ्रा के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, हमने लास्ट वीडियोस में देखे थे, आपको याद होंगे. As this prostate gland, it surrounds यूरेथ्रा. ये जो पोर्शन है ये है यूरेथ्रा का पोर्शन, और ये जो पोर्शन है ये है इजैकुलेटरी डक्ट का पोर्शन. इजैकुलेटरी डक्ट ये प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड में ओपन हो रही है. एज दिस प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड इट सराउंड, ये जो पोर्शन है ये वाला पोर्शन, ये वाला पोर्शन और ये वाला पोर्शन, ये तीनों पोर्शन है प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड के. इट सराउंड द यूरेथ्रा एंड रिलीज अ मिल्की वाइट एंड स्लाइटली acidic prostatic fluid in urethra. It forms 30% of volume of semen. It contains citric acid, acid phosphate and various other enzymes. यहाँ पे ये तीन कंपोनेंट है. पहला तो है citric acid, second is the acid phosphatase and the third one it's a various other enzymes. The acid phosphatase protect the sperms. ये ज़्यादा important function है. It protect the sperm from acidic environment of vagina. The third gland we see, that's a corpus gland. It also called as a bulbourethral gland. This circle indicates the bulbourethral gland. That's the corpus gland. These are the paired small size gland. It's a small of P-shaped P-size gland present on either side through the urethra. इस side में भी होते हैं और इस side में भी होते हैं. So it's a present on either side to the urethra. This portion it indicates the urethra. और urethra के दोनों बाजू में है ये ये corpus gland. These glands secrete alkaline, slimy, colorless, viscous fluid which act as a lubricant during copulation. Okay, I think so you understand up to this. That is, there is a presence of the three glands. Let's see the concept map related to this gland. As there is a presence of the three glands, first one is seminal vesicle, second one is prostate gland, and the third one is corpus gland, that is a bulbourethral gland. This seminal vesicle, it secretes the three chemicals. First one is fructose, fibrinogen, and prostaglandins. The prostate gland, it secretes citric acid, acid phosphate, and the various other enzymes. As this fructose, it functions as to provide energy. Fibrinogen, it's a coagulation the semen, and prostaglandins, it reverses the peristalsis in vagina and the uterus, adding the faster movement of the sperm. This acid phosphatase protect the sperm, and the bulbourethral gland, it help in lubrication of penis. The second part in this male reproductive system is at the semen. It's a what's a semen? ये जो तीनों ग्लैंड से जो केमिकल सिक्रीट होता है इससे बनता है ये सीमेन. As it's a sticky white fluid ejaculated during the coitus, that's during the insemination. It's a alkaline. Its pH it's near about the 7.2 to 7.6 fluid containing the sperm's mucus, fructose, and the neutralizing acid. There is a presence of acid phosphatase and the water. The amount of semen discharged in the female tract, it's at the ejaculation, it's about 2 to 5 ml, containing near about the 400 millions of sperm. The main function is to give the nourishment. Maintaining the viability, mobility, strength, and fertility of a sperm. It reduces acidity of vaginal fluid, thereby keeping the sperm active and healthy. The third part we see in male reproductive system, that's external genitalia. This external genital organ, it's a two. First one is scrotum and the second one is penis. So let's see the first part. It's a scrotum. This scrotum, okay, this image indicates the scrotum. This scrotum, it's a loose pouch of pigmented skin lining behind the penis. Penis के बाजू में. It is lining behind the penis. It is divided into a right and left scrotal sac by a septum of tunica dartos made up of smooth muscle fibers. The foetal testes are guided into and retained in the scrotum by short fibromuscular band, and that fibromuscular band is called as jubernaculum. इसका भी रेफरेंस हमने लास्ट वीडियो में देखा था. टेस्टिस का जब एक्सप्लेनेशन देख रहे थे तब हमने इसका रेफरेंस लिया था, जुबरनैक्यूलम. As this testes remain suspended in scrotum by a spermatic cord. Failure of testes, its descent into scrotum, it called cryptarchidism. It called as cryptarchidism. kidsidism. The failure also results in sterility. The cremaster and Darto's muscle of scrotum help in drawing the testes close to the body. The function of scrotum, it helps in maintaining the temperature of testes near about 2 to 3 degrees Celsius lower than the normal body temperature necessary for spermatogenesis. The second part we see, that's a penis. The penis is a male copulatory organ. It is cylindrical. It's a cylindrical muscular with the 3 bundles of erectile tissues. A pair of posterior lateral. This one is a pair. This side and this side. It's a pair of posterior lateral tissue called corpora cavernosa. It called as corpora cavernosa. And a median corpus spongiosum. The medium tissue, it called as the corpus spongiosum. The solan tip of a penis, it called glans penis. It is covered by a loose fold of skin called the foreskin or the prepuce. Okay, here we completed the entire male reproductive system. Just revise the organs and the functions of it. The first one is penis, that transfers the sperm to the female genital tract. Second, testes, make the sperm and secrete the hormone testosterone. Scrotum, it keep the testes at low temperature outside the body. Urethra carries the semen and the urine through the penis outside the body. Corpus gland, prostate gland and the seminal vesicle. It secretes fluid into the urethra and nourish and protect the sperm. Epididymis, it functions as stored immature sperm for 18 hours until they mature. And the last one is vasa deferens, the tube that leads the sperm from epididymis to the urethra. Okay, I think so you understand up to this. Thank you. In my next video we see the female reproductive system. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.